Hello friends, today we are going to the another poem of our 8th standard, that is the ant and the cricket. You know both these insects, these are small insects but very important to our nature. It is actually taken from a fable story, fable of Aesop. Have you heard about fable of Aesop? Aesop is a Greek writer, he is an ancient Greek writer. So it's a poem or a story talking about two insects or two animals. Fable of Aesop. Aesop actually wrote the story as the main characters as the animals. ये जो फेबल ऑफ स्टोरी में मेन कैरेक्टर्स एनिमल्स है. That conveys a moral. Moral means a message. He always tries to convey a message to the through this story, through his stories. This is also a type of story, fable of story. These two animals or two insects are the main characters in the story, and there is a moral also there is inside in this story. Let's start. A fable is a story often with animals and as characters. Mainly fable of Aesop is a story of men as a characters. Animals are the characters, as I earlier mentioned. That conveys a moral, or also told. This poem about an ant and a cricket contains an idea of far-reaching significance. What is meant by far-reaching significance? Far-reaching means actually बहुत दूर पहुंचना. Here it means often foretell or discussing about our future. We always have to look or save something for our future. This is also talking about need of to save or something for our future, which is as true of a four-legged cricket as two-legged one. Surely you have seen a cricket that has two legs. You have seen the cricket standing in two legs and as well as four legs. There's a confusion for the animals, especially for the ant, that is in two legs or four legs, which is always changing his characteristics. Let's begin the poem. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing. Accustomed to sing means actually the cricket has a habit for singing. That is mentioning here. Accustomed to sing means a habit of singing. A silly young cricket, he is the main character in the story and he has a habit of singing. Through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Through the summer, what he did throughout the summer, he only sit and sing for the day and night, and he has nothing saved for him. उनके लिए कुछ भी सेव करके नहीं रखा. और उसके बाद में क्या आया? Sunny months, the warm summer, then that come spring, then complain, then again come a winter there. Summer, then spring, and again the winter came. What happened to the winter? Let's say, not a crumb to be found, as we know that it is eating leaves, isn't it? It's eating leaves, but there is no crumb to be found there. उधर कुछ भी एक छोटा grasses का portion भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं है, which is all to be covered with snow. Everything is covered by the snow. Not a flower could see, he see. एक छोटा फूल भी नहीं देखा क्योंकि पूरा क्या हो गया? स्नो से कवर हो गया. स्नो मीन्स as you know, see snow. हाँ, इस आइस है ना, आइस से कवर हो गया. नॉट ए लीफ ऑन ए ट्री, एक भी पेड़ के ऊपर लीफ नहीं है, सब कुछ गिर गया. ओ व्हाट विल बिकम, ही सेज द क्रिकेट ऑफ मी. अगेन द क्रिकेट इज आस्किंग, अभी मुझे क्या आने वाला है, मुझे पता नहीं अभी क्या आने वाला है. बिकॉज नथिंग ही हैज़ टू ईट. At last by starvation and famine made bold. क्या हो जाएगा? Starvation means hungry. At last by starvation, सबसे ending में उनको बहुत भूख लगा. And famine means nothing to eat. Made bold. he became very bold. All dripping with wet. सब ये पानी से नीचे गिर रहा है. क्या गिर रहा है कि पेड़ के ऊपर से ये पूरा लीव्स वो स्नो की वजह से पूरा नीचे गिर गया. And all trembling with cold. Trembling means shivering or vibrating, shivering with the cold. Away he set off a mystery ant. और बहुत दूर में एक ant, and it is another insect. ant ने क्या किया? To see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter for rain. और वो ज़िंदा रहना है, he keep him to alive. अगर वो जो क्रिकेट ज़िंदा रहना है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू ग्रांट हिम शेल्टर, एक घर देना पड़ेगा. एंड ए माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन, उसको पेट भर के खाने के लिए हम कुछ देना पड़ेगा. ही विश्ड ओनली टू बोरो, सिर्फ क्या करना चाहिए? हमारा हमसे लेके जाना है. एंड ही वुड रीपे इट टुमारो, और वो कल मुझे वापस देना है. इफ़ नॉट ही मस्ट बी डाई ऑफ स्टारवेशन और एंड सोरो. अगर उन्होंने ऐसे नहीं किया तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? यस, बहुत भूख से वो मर जाएगा. बट द एंड सेज दैट वी विल ग्रांट हिम ए शेल्टर एंड माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन. यस, खाने के लिए भी कुछ देना है और उनको एक शेल्टर भी देना है. और वो क्या करना पड़ेगा? कल जो ये लेके गया है वो कल हमको ये वापस देना पड़ेगा. व्हेन वी आर गिविंग समथिंग वी शुड रीपे इट टुमारो, अदरवाइज ही मस्ट डाई ऑफ स्टारवेशन. ऐसे नहीं है तो वो कल क्या आने वाला है? यस, स्टारवेशन एंड सोरो. सोरो मीन्स दुख. ही मस्ट बी डाई ऑफ स्टारवेशन. Yes, that's all for today. The upcoming portion we can discuss on tomorrow.